me on my run today, and let's have a look at all the people with New Year's resolutions running around in the beginning of January. Let's see how long they last. A couple of days, a couple of weeks, but first, let's have some breakfast. Now, we're ready to run. Hang on. There are a few things I want to mention when it comes to goals and New Year's resolution. The fact is that the majority of all the people that set their goals simply doesn't follow through. And why is that? We can talk about that for hours, but the solution is much more interesting. You probably have some resolutions as well that you never followed through, right? There are some rules to follow when you're picking resolutions. 1. Pick more than one, but make sure that one of them at least is health related. 2. Write them down in present times, like it's happening right now. 3. Read them every day. Make sure that you see them, read them out loud to yourself. 4. Share them with your friends and family. 5. Give yourself small rewards. And 6. Make sure to have fun. Here's a list of the 10 most common New Year's resolutions. First, exercise more. 2nd, lose weight. Can you imagine that is the 2nd? 3rd, get organized. 4th, learn a new skill. 5th, live life to the fullest. 6th, save more money, spend less. 7, quit smoking. 8, spend more time with family and friends. 9, travel more. And 10, read more. But for this to be more efficient, you should be more specific. Give them a time frame. A goal without a deadline is nothing but a dream. Smart goal setting actually can help you follow through better. What smart goal setting is, S stands for specific. You have to be specific about your goals, like define them. M, they should be measurable. How many kilos are you going to lose? What time are you going to run in? How many times a week are you going to work out? How many books are you going to read? Pages per day, pages per week. A, it should be attainable. R, relevant to your goals. If you want to get in better shape, have something towards that. And T, it should be time sensitive. Remember, a goal without a deadline is nothing but a dream. Good luck with your goals and New Year's resolutions for 2020. Thank you for watching the video, and please help me grow. In a couple of weeks I'm going to Italy. Going to stay in Italy for a couple of days and then going over to Austria. In Austria we're going to stay at Measurable in the Alps. It's gonna be so amazing. Let's see if we can have some fun in the mountains. Going skiing, going snowboarding, a lot of things is going to happen. And while you're here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video as well, watch the other videos I have, and after you're subscribed, click the bell so you get a notice next time I put out a video.